One of Ghana's favorite and best marriage counselors, Counselor Lutterodt, ebusia ono so de nano abeto eye Counselor Charlotte Oduro eni nukunu Apostle Solomon Oduro o ma ware a egu no. Counselor Lutterodt enso de nano abeto be in fact ensem o abeke kan fa sa nkofu mienu we no de enya asim kuma ha yi Penyah blog media bese wa se obe like video na obe subscribe button na be click the notification icon so na be kire wa adwen de ama me e wo comment section eteno yen ka mi shame ena bete say a very renowned marriage counselor, Counselor Charlotte Oduro.
You see, pumping men, and the young say, I don't know, my dear pampan, no come baby, over cow. He goes come baby and for that, make it on him, see, you're going to say, your husband always remember, let's pump on them. When you come, my dear, time for not to massage and I say, hey, a day, and Magua who must so be a pride is killing women. Pride when they get little chicken change, but they have little in their account and they have connection. People they know me, I know this, I know it, but they don't know anybody. Keep quiet and submit.
Only Nikunu Apostle Solomon Oduro.
Udimuna sama suro, and some of what you want now. What you say, free and chain now come. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. When we share the dome, hallelujah.
How much you are as if a fair.
That's my baby, yes. Yeah.
You can just judge.
Yeah.
The two of us. Who's good?
Yeah. I'm handsome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you're no more than me.
I know you're beautiful, but you see
what?
Fresh guy, fresh boy.
Who is the old woman?
Oh, maybe later.
Yes, and now Omum Yenukoma warrior. I'm out for a share Esuano. Let the Bible and say Omaja ware. Ah, Solomon Oduro yi a oye Sophie. Ono ko post to the TikTok account so. O je say the won timi enware biem na one Charlotte akogu efiaware modin kan kwatwam. Ai bibia awi. Ah, sa ware nkwa na amafo kire say is a one enfa so bo no mo no. We go din kan hu say Solomon Oduro yi ene ze Felix a grant interview na all blame Charlotte.
Yes, no. You say now umumi. And when your influence is free, me and I'm for and he wasn't ready to submit as a woman. She wasn't ready to submit as a woman, and also only a lot means a man, woman, to know where a man or bamboo or bar appreciate your area, and to know she wanted to divorce so many occasions, but maybe guys know.
Emma Charlotte so be video no so blame ni kunu.
To live with a liar, Nana, or my own things different. That's why I can never say why do you a problem? Because you see the thing, but also your sanity. Now, obe converse to the point. Say, obe Jenny say, "Who a problem?" Oh, no, correct. Or draw fast now. Obe cool easy. Trofo. Nana, any trofo. Hey, and I go for a bit tractor. A be a born to be liars. On son.
Okay.
There you know, be one people on my Bible come you say, you go for a bomb vagabonds. The other one near obe way piano, not sana or tear. On son.
It is Sano and house of a son.
It's a movie, yet the biggest mistake believing that we have the skills and power to change people. Depending you're willing to change her. Nothing what that. We're still time with them.
But I think this video of Charlotte.
I had you. It's way. I'm going to me could say, "Where bet my wine?" If I'm what's not now. Then you could miss finish the baba could say. It's no who shepherd Sano. Offense and one that you. Only panic what them we are. I was yeah, my thought ya boka. I don't want much of a fair. Oh, Ubesu. So, I want to say, God, Opia Brame ho, and Sami Pie, Nipan wa five broom, or 5 years at team, and a watchna.
A little evidence that a claim say Charlotte maybe a warren as now put up good behavior because no I can say only the baby and I just a new because in Suba no be intimate containing. So, what we are a gono, and married counselor Lutterodt Abembie.
She forced herself into the marriage. And that is why this alleged letter to tarnish her reputation, this alleged letter to bring her position, her hard work into disrepute, this alleged letter will come and blindfold people who are blessed by the ministry of Reverend Dr. Charlotte Oduro. I mean, this cannot fly. I pray this letter is not coming from Apostle Oduro's office. But if it is coming from Apostle Oduro's office, a Jimmy letter. Look, when people build their hard-earned reputation, one of the things I want you to know, let's learn to give them respect. Reverend Dr. Charlotte Oduro, her name has become a household name. Apostle Solomon Oduro, his name has not become a public name anywhere. So if there's anybody we have to hold in high esteem, it's Reverend Dr. Charlotte Oduro. And I'm saying, the letter that has been posted, that is running around, if it's coming from the office of Apostle Solomon Oduro, then it is a stupid letter, and there are foolish people to write the letter. Let it be an alleged letter. An apostle, if the letter that is circulating didn't come from your office and people are saying it came from your office, can you issue a disclaimer? Because this is a stupid letter. Apostle himself has posted it on his TikTok and Instagram account. I want to say that I have not seen it. Can you give me his account number? Let me go and check it so that I can let him know that the Bible says in the book of Proverbs clearly, Proverbs chapter, let me read it for you. Proverbs chapter number 26 from verse 4 and 5. It says, answer not a fool according to his foolishness, lest you will be like him yourself. Answer a fool according to his foolish, lest he think that he is wise in his mind. You know what I say? I see, man, you Jimmy Niano to say some no person Yinano. Yinano ni Yansa, and in Sema a Daquem, say Charlotte Oduro, ni Apostle Oduro, Aware, Ewa Quarter. A bad send a letter no content, and they say, Oma ko goofy awadi. Na Jimmy for the can, Charlie, you Jimmy. Apostle Solomon Oduro, that is the name of the both account. Look what you say. Me kwa kwa shwe. Yeah, I share your BA. Then everybody is calling. What are you saying about Charlotte Oduro's marriage? He's talking about Oduro's marriage. Onye. Do you like? How many of you watching me right now? And those of you who come and watch later are putting your hands in your chest or your arms to say that you like Charlotte Oduro more than herself. That a woman has been married and has run away from her house several times, and she's still there. She's made the fool out of herself. And then the man rather will come and tell us what nobody must tell us. I say, I want the letter to be alleged. But if the letter is coming from Solomon Oduro's office, they have to go to God and ask for forgiveness. Welcome. If I'm wrong, tell me I'm wrong. That the office of Apostle Solomon Oduro will post a letter. They say it's on his page on Instagram. Okay. I don't care in the G world. Have you heard that statement before? Seeing is believing. Because when I go and see, the things I'll say, it will not be fine. Apostle Solomon Oduro. Is that a name? Apostle Solomon Oduro. If he has gone to post this thing on his page, Apostle Solo. If truly that I see this letter on Oduro's, okay, I've seen his page. I'm not going to follow him. I'm going to see the letter is there. Okay, so you are right. And there's a song behind it. Apostle, I'm sorry, Apostle. I'm very sorry. Ladies and gentlemen, I went to the Instagram page of Apostle Solomon Oduro. Kofi Usu press song is behind the letter that is circulating. I still want to doubt that Apostle in his element will go and post this letter. Apostle, be advised that this letter you have written is legally wrong, traditionally unaccepted, socially insulting, and publicly demeaning. Apostle, tell me, Apostle, Mr. Nyame me fa me san ka oil ni da. Me fa me san ka anointing ni da. Oil ni anointing e da wo so no e yesu no nko wo Nyankopon anim. Me nkase ntia da. Nyankopon endi ye me intemas adanse. Se manu tra efon wa nyame fa nche ba manu tra so da. E se me mboye de me kenya me kan nyansem. Apostle, Mr. Say let a year can ye that page. If you office sorry, Royal BB Victory Church. Sorry, write the name of the church for me. Apostle Mr. Say enkoma ye this is ye. Nyame ni mikroni let a year pia bonti ye nyina ye kinkan bi. Say ye no kure pass apostle. Let a year post to page and ye AI na post to ba wankasa na wo ma ho kwan ana ye wo na wo maintain page no. Obi na maintain page no say a Jimmy fu e tro letter yi e ma wo omo na maintain Royal Victory Bible Church me that say a Jimmy fu e tro letter yi omo na manage wo page yi pa no ma post to as so me srawo ka che no mu yi dam na de ni ngwase be brew abaso na me srawo abegu sante na ya interview no wo abaso o birthday party will be a fiano. Apostle, you know, I share you. Now you Charlotte Oduro. Apostle, we Charlotte Oduro. Charlotte, what you do send in command train? There was film what I ask you. Apostle, Charlotte Oduro train in a Yahudi what I ask you. Now the church one and saying for you a big good in command. My say on their wedding with 50 or pound. O Johnny de Biama have fan ba. Apostle, Mr. Wu. Na se we na ekosi. Na ye no kure se awade na egu. Ana awade ni begu. Apostle, Mr. Wu. Adesua ni esua o. Efi awade ye gu na ye fa mba badwam o. Apostle, Mr. Wu. Efi awade ye gu na ye fa mba badwam. Kota awade nku ye gu na yes se ekunu ni oyere. Se omo bibi yo wo kroma anse no de sa nyama ni tudwa enipo emma to people that matter na so apostle Mr. Wo se wa hubudase ni di mu wo apostle Solomon Ministries na sa wono yira wade egu ho na de beto wo di sa letter head de beto na Mr. Wo di letter yi ba out no o yire na ne ja awade na mo wo ma no wo ma anis nyansotire se yemfa adwen se na be ya ye fa kwan bi so ama sa enhihye yi a ye di tudwa yi enko se ya guru di bi a ye di wo badwam ana e ya semo nyame ambo no ade nkrofo twa ho hia no me agimfo mo wo gimi wo badwam e bi wo wonton ano krom so meka se ye no kura se lete ya apostle wo kan ya se na ye di baade a onkrofo na yiwa ma onkrofo na ma wo guo ma se wo badwam me enkase ye ndi asem bia mba ye ma ye ndi na wo tweda wo da bi wo nya me ye kan o oyire na ye kan asem no se mo akofie di apeteshi kwata ana snap ana sika na mbodifa koka awade di nguyo ba me kan asimi bo akase Charlotte na ya ade esan so no no se wa begu Santana interview na se ohun so no ye problem no enti na ka 50 day one awale na onim se asofudie da wudi na wo ye 50 days mumienu nyina magu han was wa awade enu only Charlotte nyina ma nye yiri between you and Charlotte you've not done well because how do you marry whilst you are having 50 days fasting now they get also for now they get.
So when he say my Counselor Lutterodt, I will count efa awale agu. Oh, it was one day. Soften young class 7 soften again. You was soften your mini panels. Come wherever to public. Me jam me ready. Then I will pay. What are you looking for? What do you want? Then I will pay. I is on a big and see my is like a Canadian father today. Papa, we bet my travel in a comment section. I hype in your blog media.